Okay, so we're down in Naples, and just kind of came up against this giant plaza. We're gonna walk down towards that water, and I was just walking down this street right over here, and there's just so much to check out in this area. So what we're gonna do is just walk directly that way towards all these statues, and I'll see what this plaza is called later. Okay. So what we're gonna do is go directly towards that water, see what that's all about. And I think I also got all these kind of statues as well. So I was gonna try to capture some of these as well. And I think this goes all the way down to the waterfront. Man, what a cool space. I don't know what this is called. I'll find out later, I guess. Okay, so maybe we'll go down to the waterfront there. Okay, so we're going to continue down this way. Let's see, so I can see some boats. All the way down there's a ship. So we're going to check that out. I think this is a Piazza of some kind. Let's check and see what this says. We're walking directly down that way. So I think that's where we're at right there. Even a horse. Yeah, we're gonna walk down this way. I can also see some ships way over there as well. And a pizza in Piazza, so I guess that's the Piazza. Okay, so I can see the ships way down in the distance as well, and over there too. Pizza in Piazza. Okay, got some artwork right here, so I'm going to capture that real quick. Oh, it's ice cream. I got Guinness there. Okay. Okay, so we're still walking towards that waterfront, back all the way down that way. Let's see what that is. I think the name of the street right here is Via Cesario. And we're gonna walk all the way down, see what it's all about. I think we could also go down on that side too. So I think what I'm gonna do, see if the street is still the same. Yeah, it is right there. So Cesario is the name of this one. And it looks like it does go all the way down to the waterfront, so we'll catch that as well. So I guess it's Piazza. Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay. We're at the end of the street, Looks like we got a waterfront. Very, very cool. I didn't expect that I was this close to this. Huh. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see what we can see here. That's where we were just at. We just walked down the waterfront a little bit and kind of check it all out. Pretty nice space. People swimming over there. Okay, we're gonna check that out. We're gonna do a separate video for that. So anyways, that's the Piazza. Down to the waterfront. You got all these cruise ships over there, and then I guess this is the whole bay. That might be, I don't know, is that Pompeii? I just don't know this region. Beautiful bay. Wow.
Allora così, grazie, come lo dirà, ma come fanno a pigliare tutti? Buonasera, Dindoli, è Dindoli, anche la Spagna, Dindoli,